Roydan Marlang who attended there in the September 21 National Day of Protest. For me, guys, Roydan Marlang attended there in the protest because he showed the Filipinos what we truly are. Oh, what we are saying, we are against corruption. Just like I said, folks, I'm not making an enemy in social media, even in Facebook. Roylan Marlang was right. Just remember that Bongbong Marcos is really corrupt because he is a thief. Oh, let me ask you something. Oh, when I was told by Paulo Landayan, that was his friend, the friend of Ramon Jose. Oh, I know I told to Ramon Jose, I apologize to Paulo Landayan that I troll him, that I harass him, I made a fake account on Facebook, that I harass, who is it? Shania Kiana, even Patrick Kison. I know this is my fault. I know I know this is my fault that I harass Paulo Landayan. Oh, Paulo Landayan says that 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 Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and Imelda Marcos are the greatest robbery of the government. Oh, when Paulo Landayan says that Bongbong Marcos sue over plunder. He was sue of plunder over the pork barrel scam. Now, what I'm saying, it is really true. Oh, Paulo Landayan was right. Magnanakaw pala ang mga Marcoses. Oh, and what are you gonna say to yourself, Teacher Mate Tiburcio? Oh, the Marcoses are the greatest robbery of the government. Do you ever idolize that Bongbong Marcos is a tax evader and even criminal, pedophile, drug addict, and 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 the thief of the Filipino people? Ah, you know, this is not right. Oh, Teacher Gio Malana is also an anti-Marcos. Oh, Teacher Vincent Ramos, anti-Marcos. Oh, even who among anti-Marcos, Denzel Joshua, oh, Ramon Jose, oh, who were anti-Marcos, Jens Manaid, anti-Marcos, oh, Wawel Romero, anti-Marcos, Teacher Jessa Fernandez, anti-Marcos, or Teacher Ruth Ibarrientos, the friend of Denzel Joshua, anti-Marcos, or there's an actor, Kiko Matos, who was an anti-Marcos. You're the only one who's a pro-Marcos, Teacher May Tiburcio. Oh, what about Teacher Mirna? Oh, anti-Marcos. Oh, Teacher Marisa, your friend, anti-Marcos. Even Ate Emily, anti-Marcos. Oh, Ate Rona, anti-Marcos. You remember Ate Rona? Oh, she's anti-Marcos. Everyone are anti-Marcos there. Oh, people there, they are anti-Marcos. Everyone are anti-Marcos. Just like what I'm saying, people there are anti-Marcos. Even that my former enemy, Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, anti-Marcos. My former enemy, Lance Salvacion, is also anti-Marcos. Even who among anti-Marcos? Jerick Silva, anti-Marcos. Joseph Maspinas, anti-Marcos. They are all anti-Marcos. Jude Goles is anti-Marcos too. He's my friend in CDIFI, classmate. He's also anti-Marcos. You're the one who's only anti-Marcos there. You do not know what is really happening. You know what, Teacher May Tiburcio, with all delightful respect, everyone are anti-Marcos, ha? I know why I accuses you in my YouTube video. Because you praises Bongbong Marcos that he is corrupt. That man is really a drug addict. That's what I said. I've been interviewed by Duterte vloggers in TikTok Live. We just talk each other about the corruption in the Philippines. Oh, they are Filipino, I know who are they. And you know what they said to me, those corruption has made by Bongbong Marcos. Because he's a drug addict. Oh, that's the reason. Just like what I'm saying. Just like I am saying. When I heard the video from Amy Marcos in the news when she was attended there in the protest of Iglesia ni Cristo, or the she said it before, ading ko, umuwi na tayo, magpa-rehab ka, that's why, Amy Marcos urged Bongbong Marcos needs to take a rehab. That person is a drug addict. That's the reason. Because you know what happened to Paulo Tantoco. I was told by Kuya J. Paulo Tantoco, he was overdosed while he was in the US. The founder of Rustan, Paulo Tantoco, died because of drug overdose. Because of his wife, Lisa Araneta Marcos. Because of his wife. Remember that. Remember that, Teacher May Tiburcio. You know, Teacher May Tiburcio, you're the one who accusing me that I message Teacher Vincent, Teacher Gio, Malana. Kasalanan mo yan. You always slander my name. Punyeta ka, Teacher May Tiburcio. You know what you're doing? You're accusing me. Bastos ka. You know that. You know, Teacher May Tiburcio is just like Claire Castro. MC Mwakalikwan is just like Bongbong Marcos. Sila ang mga tunay na bastos. That's why, you know, it's not really what I'm saying. They are very rude. They have no good manners. During the time when I was with, for example, in the class of Teacher Jessa Fernandez, she taught me about good manners. During the time of class of Teacher Lendel, she showed me about the good manners. Until the class of Teacher Joy Fidao Sancheta, she showed me a good manners. Because you remember that CDIFI, they need a good manners and right conduct. Because I know I urged Teacher Julie, I told her, bring back the good manners and right conduct. What about you, Teacher May Tiburcio? And MC Mwakalikwan. Both of you have no good manners. Both of you, you're just like Bongbong Marcos and Claire Castro. No good manners. Oh, at least look at that. Look at Bam Hernando. He's just like Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, he has a good manners. Oh, as I remember, Bam Hernando is just like Rodrigo Duterte. He says about in Tagalog word, PI, or what's that the word? Putang ina, that's a word. Oh, in Tagalog. I know Bam Hernando is just like Rodrigo Duterte. He's just like that. But right now, Bam Hernando, he never say a bad words. Oh, just like Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, all he has to do, he has to show a good manners. Oh, he has to show good manners to my mom last 2018. Oh, he just show a good manner. He always like that. What about MC Muakalikuan? What about Teacher May Tiburcio? Oh, they're just like Bongbong Marcos and Claire Castro. Very disrespectful. Mga bastos sila. Oh, at least Apple Alday has a good manners. She's just like Amy Marcos. Oh, if she's just like Amy Marcos at Apple Alday, she has a good manners. Oh, just like that, good manners. Oh, when for example, like Manuel Luis Antonio is just like Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Oh, when he advised that his daughter, Apple Alday, she's just like uh, Amy Marcos, to teach uh, MC Muakalikuan that he's just like Bongbong Marcos, to teach him good manners and right conduct. Oh, and he should never use illegal drugs. What did she do? She show a good manners. Oh, just like that. Oh, this is really what happened when they're exiled there in Hawaii. Like for example, Manuel Luis Antonio is just like Ferdinand Marcos Sr. He declared martial law way back 1972. I talked with Mommy Ellen Olea in personally when I uploaded in my YouTube video, in my documentary. Oh, you remember what she said to me? Oh, what she said to me in martial law? Walang curfew. Oh, that was the time. Oh, that Manuel Luis Antonio is just like Ferdinand Marcos Sr. When he declared curfew, he lifted the martial law. In 1986, when Manuel Luis Antonio is just like Ferdinand Marcos Sr. was ousted, he was exiled there in Hawaii together with his children, or even that his wife, like Tracy Maureen Perez, aka Imelda Marcos. Tracy Maureen Perez is just like Imelda Marcos. Eh, they exiled there. Oh, you remember the Miss World Philippines 2021, Tracy Maureen Perez. Oh, she's just like Imelda Marcos. She was exiled. You, is this what you like, Teacher May Tiburcio? To bring back Marcoses in the Philippines to make corrupt? To make a bribery? Just because, for example, that Lassie Marquez is just like Martin Romualdez, who giving lots of luggages from the Forbes, even Malacanang. What kind of being yourself a Filipino? You're un-Filipino, Teacher May Tiburcio. Oh, you are an useless teacher. You're a useless ped teacher. Bobo ka. Oh, this not would be happen in the Philippines.